Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar monthly time frame, I mean, it probably is more likely that this is going to go down and take out these lows. Probably grab the liquidity down there before it actually does end up going back up. We can't rule out the possibility of this making a higher low and continuing the uptrend, more like a running flat type pattern. But either way, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where it definitely looks like a double three pattern. First of all, you get a nice 5 waves up. Then you get 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Normally that leads to either 1, 2, 3 waves down for a WXY, or it leads to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a 5 way pattern for like more of a traditional flat. Either way, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had that big push down from the U.S. elections. I personally think it's a higher likelihood that this is a wave 5 right here. This is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of either A, which would be part of that WXY pattern, so like an A of Y, or probably more likely a wave 1 of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of that flat pattern. Either way, I think there's a pretty good chance that this is over the next few weeks is going to make its way up for a wave B or a wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down right now, but if this really is a wave 5, it will slowly make its way up and take out the high of wave 4. If it's not a wave 5 and it's actually a subdivision of a bigger downtrend, then this move up will end up being a correction to this last wave down, and it will most likely just continue the downtrend, likely after making 3 waves up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. Like I was just saying, if it's a wave 5, it will slowly, it'll probably bounce off some Fib levels, but not break structure. It will most likely continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and eventually go up, take out the high of wave 4, which will prove that the daily downtrend is over. If it's actually just a subdivision of a much larger downtrend that's not over, then most likely we'll see 1, 2, 3 waves up to any one of these Fibonacci levels with a nice engulfing turn to the downside. If we see that picture right here, which doesn't have to happen here, it could happen at the 50, 61, maybe even the 78%. The important thing is if we see a recognizable pullback, like a 3 wave ABC pullback, then we definitely want to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So for me personally, I'm either waiting for 3 waves up to a Fib level and pulse it down to go short again, or I would be waiting for confirmation that the trend is over on the daily time frame with a breaker structure to the upside, which we do not have as of yet, so I'm definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, it's linked out here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.